Welcome everyone! Today we are going inside the PlayStation 5 factory to discover how this powerful gaming console is built, from raw materials to the final box ready for players around the world. Welcome to the Sony factory, where PlayStation 5 production begins with precision and advanced technology. Raw materials enter the line, and production begins with precision. The motherboard is built with extreme precision and advanced robotics. The processor is installed with perfect robotic precision. Every chip is scanned to ensure perfect quality. The cooling system is built for maximum performance. The cooling fan is assembled for smooth airflow and silent performance. The cooling system is installed to keep the console stable and powerful. The high-speed SSD is installed for faster loading and performance. The console is powered on for its first performance test. The final shell is closed, completing the PlayStation 5 design. Final testing ensures perfect performance and system stability. DualSense buttons are made with precision for perfect control. The DualSense controller is assembled with perfect precision. The controller shell is sealed, completing the final design. Every controller is tested for perfect response and accuracy. The finished controller is ready for final packaging. The PlayStation 5 is carefully placed into its official box. The sealed boxes move to the final shipping stage. Robotic systems prepare the final shipment for global delivery.